This is what 450 million naira gets you in a well-secured estate, call-to-access estate, very serene in Orchid, right? So we have this 5-bedroom, fully detached home. We have a car park space that can take up to 3 cars. We have spacious room inside, comes with a swimming pool, a BQ. I mean, you absolutely love this for a family home. All right. So if you're new to my channel, you quickly want to hit the subscribe button, like, share, comment, and most importantly, let me know what you think of this edifice. Welcome home. Okay, so this is the ambience of this estate. It rained heavily today. You clearly see that the road is going. For all the properties I've been touring today in Orchard, they've all been in a very great location, estates that have good drainage system. Okay, so we're touring this 5-bedroom fully detached home, priced at 450 million, and the car park space can take up to 3 cars comfortably. Then you have this architectural design, very simple. You're clouding on the facade, laced with lights, and you also see that it has floor to ceiling window, enabling ventilation and natural light. It also has a BQ, but the BQ is currently locked. It's at the back as usual. So when you step into the home, you are welcomed by this massive door. It has a facial lock alongside a fingerprint, okay? So when you step into the home, just before we get right into the primary living area, by my right, you have your visitor's room right here. Have your visitor's room right here. So this is your visitor's room. That's your wardrobe. And over here, you have your ensuite bathroom. That's your walk-in shower. Still here, you have your powder room. Okay, it's locked, but that's where you have your powder room. So let's go right into the primary living area. So this is your primary living area. You got your TV console down there. I love the choice of the marble that was used for the TV console. You have a chandelier. You have your ceiling laced with lights. And if you go further down, you have your swimming pool. Of course, you can access the swimming pool from outside. So this is your pool right here. And just by here, you have this space. You can actually set up like a dining area with this space that is here. You can set up your dining area right here. Just underneath the staircase also, you have this design here with artificial flowers. Okay? And also from inside, you can have access to the swimming pool. We have a sliding door down here that you can have access to the pool. So right here, you have this glass door that welcomes you to the kitchen. So this is the kitchen. Quite spacious and beautiful with enough compartments. So before we get right into it, over here you have your pantry where you can just set up your pantry, and this door leads you to the backyard. Okay, this door leads you to the backyard where you have your BQ and your swimming pool. So back to the kitchen. See what the kitchen looks like. You got your lights right there. Your island is just here, just in the middle, and it has these chairs. Then your washing machine is just right here. They get to remove the cover. Washing machine is there. You have your 5-burner cooker. Your heat extractor is also here. You have your microwave, your oven already installed, and you have your double door refrigerator, right? So this is actually an amazing space. I love the kitchen. So I think we can go upstairs right now. We can go upstairs. So going upstairs, we'll have another view of what the primary living area looks like. All right, let's go upstairs. First, the stairs has sensor lights. Okay, we're upstairs, and immediately you come here, you have this family lounge where you can just set up your TV, your couch, that can act as your secondary living area. We also have 2 rooms here. So this is what the room looks like. Have your wardrobe there, bathroom right here, and that's your walk-in shower. This is the other room. So this is the room. This is what it looks like. This is the wardrobe. And you have your bathroom right here. That's your walk-in shower. So we've already seen 3 rooms now. 2 here. We've seen 1 downstairs. So you have the So this is the 4th room. So this is the 4th room. You have your wardrobe right there. I love the lights. Okay, you have your bathroom here, the walk-in shower is just right there. Okay, let's go to the masters. Before we go to the masters, let's have this view once again. I'll have just this store here. Maybe you can use it to store your solar system. I don't know, anything you wish to convert it to anyway. So this is the masters. Welcome to the masters. Immediately you enter the masters, you have your wardrobe right here. And you also have your closet, the compartments. Just immediately you arrive the masters. Coming forward, you have your massive space just right here. And of course, let me take it from here so you can see the TV console. I like how there is enough window for natural light. So that's the TV console down there. It has a small balcony, but let's bathroom. This glass door for the bathroom. Comes with a bathtub. You have your walk-in shower. Have your mirror right here. Have your wash hand basin too for husband and wife. And you still have space to at least walk around. So let me know, what do you think of this project? So that's the balcony right there. So it's just like a mini estate where you also have other buildings. So this is the buildings. All right. So what do you think? Price at 450 million, 5-bed fully detached home. Is located in a call to access estate inside Orchid, one of the prominent estates along the Orchid axis. And with this, we are just like in the middle of Lekki Ekpe Expressway and Coastal Road. You know, Orchid has a coastal road, like it has a road that leads to the coastal road. So this is like in between the Lekki Ekpe Expressway and the coastal road. So you have options to use either of them. Okay. So let me know what you think. If you like this home and you'd like to make it your home in 2026, kindly call the number in the description or in the comment section. Let's give me a call and let's get you home. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.